This part of the center garden still is kind of rough. I haven't finished it yet. I'm looking into the possibility of doing more. I am working on the garden. As you can see, I'm going to start on another section and decide whether or not turmeric finds its way in there. And then the shade garden change for the gingers. Lantana has been heavily fed by everything I chopped up. And the Cana looking rough for now. But there are true signs of success in the Cana section of the garden. And I hope that it really takes off now that I've cut back so much. And hopefully it'll fill in. That's the goal.